Welcome to Gordon Research Institute. It's my intention to change your health for the better for the rest of your life, and it takes information. So I have a school of advanced medicine, and I've been teaching over 2,000 health professionals the new advanced medicine that can change your life. And it starts with simple things, like how to get the toxins out of us, what's the right kind of diet for you, and of course the obvious, today our diet cannot give us the nutrients that we need for ideal health. I'm 75 years young. I feel better than I have in 50 years, and it's because I have learned how to get all the toxins, not just the lead and the mercury that you hear about, but the dioxins and the PCBs and the polybrominated diphenyl ethers, those are known as flame retardants, that all of you are loaded with, and deal with the chronic infections that we all have. The program that I want to give you is free of charge. All you do is learn how to navigate on Gordon Research Institute and satellite websites like Fight for Your Health, Zeolite Answer, limebook.com/fight. These additional websites will allow you to talk to other people who are learning how to stay really healthy